Hello friends, now we are going to discuss important interview questions for Tableau. And the first question is, what are the data types supported in Tableau? Following data types are supported in Tableau. First one is text strings, which store characters. Date values, we store date in the Tableau. Date and time values too. Numerical values 0 to 9. String value any character. Date values any date value. Time values any time value, and boolean value which is relational only 0 and 1. Geographical values, we can represent any geography of the worldwide using Tableau. Thank you so much. And for more detail in Tableau, you can subscribe and like my channel. Thank you friends. Second question for Tableau interview is, how will you understand dimensions and measures? What are dimensions and measures? In Tableau, measures are basically numerical quantities. What are measures? Measures contains numerical quantity values that you can measure, like sales, profit. Measures can be aggregated like profit, quantity, rank, sales per customer, total orders. And dimensions contain qualitative values such as name, dates, or geographical data. You can use dimension to categorize segment, reveal the details. Example, city, country, customer ID, customer name, date, order ID. So you can conclude that measures are numerical values and dimension are categorical values. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. What is meant by discrete and continuous in Tableau? This is an interview question. Tableau represents data depending upon whether the field is discrete, which is represented by blue, or continuous, represented by green. So we can say discrete is represented by blue and continuous is represented by green. So discrete are individually separate and distinct values, and continuous are forming an unbreakable whole without interruption. Discrete continuous may be of two types: dimension and measure. Measures are numerical values and dimension are categorical values. So there are four types of things: discrete dimension, continuous dimension, discrete measures, and continuous measures. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So friends, next question is, what are the filters? Name the different filters in Tableau. This is the most important question, frequently asked question in Tableau interviews. So, Tableau filters are a variety of restricting the content of the data that may enter a Tableau workbook, dashboard, or view. We can use filter on workbook, dashboard, or view. And the types of filters are extract filter, context filter, data source filter, filters on measures, filters on dimension, and table calculation filters. These are different types of filters which we are using on different data sets, on different values in different way. Thank you so much. Next question is, define LOD expression. What is LOD expression in Tableau? LOD expression stands for level of detail expression, and it is used to run complex queries involving many dimensions at the data sourcing level. LOD expression let you control the granularity you want to compute. They can be performed in many ways. In more detail, you can use include expression. In less granular way, you can use exclude expression, and for independent calculation you can use fixed LOD expression. Thank you so much. What are heat maps? Define heat maps in Tableau. A heat map is a graphical representation of data that uses the color coding technique to represent different values of the data. As the marks heat up due to their higher value, dark color will be shown in the map. See, there may be a multiple quantity in positive or negative of any measure. So we can see if things are more positive, then it will be more darker. Things will be more negative, it will be more darker. So if there are only two things, negative or positive of any quantity, then we can show more negative, more positive by this simple heat map. You can see darker the orange, negative the value, darker the blue, more positive the value. Please like and subscribe my channel. What, what is the purpose of a parameter in Tableau? Parameters in Tableau allow user to define dynamic values that can be used to control various aspects of visualization, such as filtering data, changing calculation, or modifying colors. How can you perform data aggregation in Tableau? Tableau provides various aggregation functions such as sum, AVG, average, max, min, count, etc., which can be applied to measure fields. To perform aggregation, you can drag a measure field to the visualization and choose the desired aggregation function. All these sum, average, max, min are the aggregation function. What are the different types of charts available in Tableau? In Tableau, various kind of visualization charts we have. These are bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter charts, plots, maps, tree maps, heat maps, and more. Each chart type is suitable for different type of data and analysis. We can understand how we can use a charts in the for the analysis purpose in Tableau. How can you share your Tableau workbooks with others? Tableau provides various options to share your workbooks, such as publishing them to Tableau server or Tableau public, or exporting them as image files or PDF, or creating interactive Tableau stories that can be shared as web links with colleagues, with friends, or with end management. About Tableau dashboard. Tableau dashboard is a group of various views which allows you to compare different types of data simultaneously. Data sheets and dashboards are connected if any modification happens to the data that are reflects in the dashboards. It is the most efficient approach to visualize the data and analyze it. Define page self in Tableau. What are page self? Page self breaks the views into a series of pages. It displays an alternative view on each page. Due to this feature, you can analyze the effect of each field on the rest of the data in the view. Define the story in Tableau. The story can be defined as a sheet, which is a collection of series of worksheets and dashboards used to convey the insights of the data. A story can be used to show the connection between facts and outcomes that impacts the decision making process. A story can be published on the web or can be presented to the audience. Give an overview of the fact and dimension of the table. Facts are numeric measures of the data. They are stored in fact tables. Fact tables store that type of data that will be analyzed by dimension tables. Fact tables have foreign keys associating with dimension tables. Dimension are descriptive attributes of the data. Those will be stored in the dimension table. For example, customers' information like name, number, and email will be stored in the dimension table. State some ways to improve the performance of Tableau. First one is use an extract to make workbooks run faster. Reduce the scope of data to decrease the volume of data. Reduce the number of marks on the view to avoid information overload. Try to use integers or booleans in calculation as they are much faster. Then strings, hide unused fields, use context filter, reduce filter uses and use some alternative way to achieve the same result. Use indexing in tables and use the same fields for filtering. Remove unnecessary calculations and on the sheets. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Explain the different connections types in Tableau. There are two connection types available in Tableau, extract and live. What is extract? Extract is a snapshot of data that will be extracted from the data source and put into the Tableau repository. This snapshot can be refreshed periodically, fully or incrementally. This can be scheduled in Tableau server. What is live? It creates a direct connection to the data source and data will be fetched directly from tables. So data will be up to date and consistent, but this also affects access speed. What are the different joins in Tableau? Tableau works the same as SQL, so it supports all join possible in SQL, like left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and inner join. Inner join, which gives the output which are the commons in two tables or more tables. Left outer join gives the output as entire left table and the common elements in the right table. Right outer join gives the reverse of left, like common elements of both the tables and all the elements from right table. Full outer join gives all the elements from both tables. What is data modeling? Data modeling is the analysis of data objects that are used in a business or other contexts and also used as identification of the relationship among these data objects. It is the first step of doing object oriented programming. Define dual axis. Dual axis is used to show two measures in a single graph. It allows you to compare two measures at once. Many websites like Indeed use these dual axes to show the comparison and growth charts for different parameters for different measures. Or what are blended axes in Tableau? So in Tableau, multiple measures can share in a single axis so that all the marks will be shown in a single pane. We can blend measures by dragging the first measure on one axis and the second on the existing axis. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Define cells and sets in Tableau. What are cells and what are sets? Cells are every worksheet in Tableau will have cells such as columns, rows, marks, filter pages, and more. By placing filters on cell, we can build our own visualization structure. We cannot control the marks by including or excluding data. What are sets? The sets are used to compute a condition on which the data set will be prepared. Data will be grouped together based on a condition. Fields which is responsible for grouping are known as assets. For example, students having grades of more than 70%. Text filters in Tableau. Whenever we set a context filter, Tableau generates a temporary table that needs to refresh each and every time whenever the view is triggered. So, if the context filter is changed in the database, it needs to recompute the temporary table so the performance will be decreased. In Tableau, there is a card to the left of the view where we drag fields and control mark properties like color, size, type, shape, label, and tooltip. That part is known as the mark card in Tableau, and that is in the left side of the screen. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Define published data source. When you are ready to make a data source available to other Tableau desktop users, you can publish it to the Tableau server or online. Or else you can make it available by saving the same file embedded Excel or text file. You can share online or you can share offline by saving it in the Excel or text file. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Define dual axis in Tableau. What are dual axis? Dual axis is used to show two measures in a single graph in Tableau. It allows you to compare two measures at once. Many websites like Indeed use the dual axis to show the comparisons and growth rate. Define bullet chart. What are bullet chart in Tableau? A bullet graph is a variant of bar graph. It is responsible for comparing the performance of one measure with other measures. So for comparing of one measure to another, we use bullet graph. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Define Gantt chart. What are Gantt chart in Tableau? Gantt chart displays the progress of value over the period of time. It consists of bar along with the time axis. It is a project management tool. Here each bar is a measure of a task in the project framework. If you want to know how much project is complete in software industry, basically we use Gantt chart. Gantt chart is for managers and for high level persons in industries. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Define a histogram chart. What are histogram chart in Tableau? A histogram chart shows the distribution of continuous information over a certain period of time. This chart helps us to find extreme points, gaps, unusual values, and more concentrated values. This chart is very important chart in Tableau. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. What are the file size limitations with Tableau? In Tableau, there are no limitations with the file sizes and there is no limitations for row or column to import the data. And this is very important thing for Tableau users. This is the most important thing which can make it better over Power BI. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. What is Tableau Reader? In Tableau, Tableau Reader is a free desktop application where you can read and interact with the Tableau packaged workbooks. It can only open the files but cannot create new connections to the workbook. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Difference between published data source and embedded data sources in Tableau. The public data sources contains connection information that is independent of workbooks and can be used by multiple workbooks. The embedded data source contains connection information but it is associated with the workbooks. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. What is the hierarchy in Tableau? When we are working with large volumes of data, incredibly data may be matched with Tableau. You can easily create hierarchies to keep your data neat even if you don't need it. It is built into your data which you can easily manage or organize the data and you can crack the data easily. If you have used or you will use Tableau, you can see if there is a data for location. After that we see country, state, city, that is in hierarchy. It is automated in Tableau. It's a very good thing in Tableau. Data is already saved in the hierarchy format. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. What is a column chart? A column chart that visualizes the data as a set of rectangle columns. As their lengths are proportional to values when they have represent the data, the horizontal axis shows the category to which they belong and the vertical axis shows the value. This is the example given of the column chart. A, B, C, D category have different kind of values. Please like and subscribe my channels. What is the bar chart and Tableau? The bar chart visualizes the data as a set of rectangle bars as their values are proportional to length when they have represent the data. The vertical axis shows the category to which they belongs to and horizontal shows the values. So the bar chart is the vertical version of the column chart. We can see the values on horizontal and vertical chart shows the different kind of values. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. What is the line chart? The line chart is a popular type of chart, diagrammatic chart for visualizing the data. It connects the individual data points to view the data. We can easily visualize a series of values. We can see trends over with time or predict future values. The horizontal axis holds the category to which it belongs and the vertical axis holds the values. What is a stacked bar chart? A stacked bar chart composed of multiple bars stacked horizontally, one below the other. The length of the bar depends on the value in the data point. A stacked bar chart makes the work easier. They will help us to know the changes in all variables presented. Side by side, we can watch the changes in their total and forecast future values. For more info, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Next question, what is a stacked column chart? Stacked column chart composed of multiple bars stacked vertically one on another. The length of the bar depends on the value in the data point. A stacked column chart is the best one to know the changes in all variables. This type of chart should be checked when the number of series is higher than 2. If you like my questions, my videos, please subscribe my channel. What is an area chart in Tableau? An area chart is nothing but line chart. The area between the x-axis and line will be the color of patterns and these charts are typically used to represent accumulated total over time and are the conventional way to display stacked lines. Please like and subscribe my channel. How to download Tableau Public? Tableau Public is a free software. In first step, you have to go to the public.tableau.com and enter your email address and click the download app. In second step, after downloading the file, run the file and follow the prompts to install the Tableau. In third step, you can see the Tableau shortcut on your desktop. In fourth step, what you have to do, you have to double click on the icon to load the Tableau Public and you can see the screen of Tableau desktop in your screen bar below. If you find helpful my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. To design a view without using a line or bar chart to show the region-wise profit and sales. How should I go about doing it? Explain. In Tableau, what we will do, we will generate a map using cities. Then we will drag the profit and sales to the details and we will add the state as a quick filter. Then we can see there is a region wise profit and sales generated in the Tableau. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. How can you optimize the performance of a dashboard in Tableau? There are multiple ways to optimize the performance of a dashboard, like maximize the number of fields and records. You can exclude unused fields from your visualization or use extract filters. Limit the number of filters used by avoiding quick filters and using actions and parameter filters instead. These filters require reduce query loads. Use minimum max instead of average because average functions require more processing time than min max. Use boolean or numerical calculation more than string calculation. Computer can process integer and boolean much faster than string. The way we can use is boolean more preferable than integer, more preferable than float, than date, time, and string is the least preferable. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. Which visualization in Tableau will be used in the given scenarios? To show aggregated sales total across a range of product categories and subcategories. To show the duration of events or activities. To show quarter-wise profit growth. We would use following visualization for the given scenarios: tree map, Gantt chart, and waterfall chart. Please like and subscribe my channel. What does it mean to data visualization? Data visualization is the process of showing data or information visually. We can use graphs, charts, bar, and many more things that are easy to use. Data visualization tools make it easy to look and understand the data, and many more things are easy to use. What do measures and dimension mean in Tableau? Measures and dimension are part of Tableau dataset that describe it. Measures are amounts of data that can be counted and analyzed against dimensions, can be added to a single string. For example, an online shop inventory can list the numbers of items, price, number of things sold in past, how they are paid for, etc. All of these things can be bought off as steps. On the other hand, dimension are just description that make it possible to see something. They let a user say different things about a single metric. All of these descriptions make up a dimension table. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Explain why data servers are essentials in Tableau. In Tableau, a data server has two jobs to do. One, it lets you keep your data like dataset, pass, calculation, analysis, and definitions in synchronization with the server so that you can access it from anywhere. This makes it possible to do any task more honestly, so it gives you security and quick access. Second, if you have a data server, you can download some of the data you need to a local machine or to run or a visualization or report through the server. It is easy to get from the internet. Please like and subscribe my channel. What's a heat map? Describe a case. A heat map is a type of data visualization that uses different shades of colors to show a data set. The darkest shade of a particular color shows an extreme value, high density, high intensity. Usually, it is used to compare two or more measurements. A quick way to use a heat map would be to learn about the human body structure and see how warm it is based on the temperature of different organs. If the red and yellow colors are used, the red parts will show where the temperature is the highest. So heat maps show the intensity of some particular thing, and the darkest the color, more the value. Lowest the color, lower the value. Please like and subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what are aggregation and disaggregation? Aggregation is the simple idea of taking the average of the values in a given column of a dataset. If a report shows how the price of a product has changed over time, aggregation can help find its average value. Most of the time, Tableau automatically groups a set of data. The opposite of leveraging is disaggregation, which can be helpful if your user wants to look at the each data point separately. You can also use both grouped and ungrouped data in the same worksheet. Please like and subscribe my channel. Tell the difference between discrete and continuous in Tableau. There are two kinds of dimension flow in the Tableau. They are discrete and continuous. Discrete values are single points counted separately from a group of other issues. The number of states in a country is one example of the discrete value. Continuous values let the user use values in a range that can be either finite or infinite. For example, how a company's stock price changes with time. Please like and subscribe my channel. Give a story about Tableau as an example. A story is a set of worksheets or dashboards that work together to tell a message. An example of this would be putting together two worksheets showing how well a company employees are doing. On one worksheet, there are performance metrics and summarized for employees in levels L1 and L3. At the same time, the same info can be found on the second worksheet in the level of employees L3 and L4. Since each employee performance depend on the other's performance, this can give a big picture view of how well the company employees are doing as a whole. This is used when the worksheet have different parameters and measures. Thank you friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what is a context filter? Context filters can improve the dashboard's view when more than one filter is used. A filter in Tableau works on every row in the dataset. No matter what other filters are in place, by utilizing a context filter, we can cut down on the size of the dataset. The rest of the filters will then be run on the smaller dataset, reducing the time it takes. This is the importance of the context filter. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what is KPI? By using the key performance indicators in Shapes card, Tableau makes it easier to look at how well a company is doing based on some key performance indicators. Create a calculated field and mark the value as successful or unsuccessful based on the required parameter. Make a chart using a dimension and the calculated field you just made in the marks card change automatically to shapes. Put success and failure on the KPI shapes card to make the things easier to understand. This is all about KPI in Tableau. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel if you really like the content. Make a donut chart in Tableau. Tableau doesn't have a direct way to make a donut chart, but there are two ways to do it. If you want to show a donut chart on a sheet, you would make a pie chart and add another measure to the row shelf. So you can see two pie charts on the sheet. Change the second pie chart's color to match the background and make it smaller. Then right click on the second distance instance on the row shelf and choose dual axis. Finally, remove any details that are not needed. And the second way to make a donut chart will only work in a dashboard. First, create a pie chart in a sheet and import it to the dashboard. Then put a round image in the middle that is the same color as the background. So this is the simple way to make donut chart. This is very important. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Tableau server. Tableau server is used to organize, edit, share and work together on Tableau dashboards made on the Tableau desktop. It's safer for organizations because the data will only be seen by the people who work there, and the administrator can decide how much control each user has. For example, a user might only be able to view the data or only be able to edit it or both. So this is the importance of the Tableau server. Please like and subscribe my channel. What does bin mean in Tableau? What are bin in Tableau? In Tableau, bins are containers of the same size used to store data values that fit in the size of the bin. In other words, bin divide the data into groups of the same size, which can be used to look at the data systematically. All of Tableau discrete fields can be thought of as bins instead. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what is analysis? Tableau has built-in tools to help you analyze the data on a chart. We have several tools such as adding an average line to a chart. Once we drop the tool on the chart, Tableau does the math. There are also tools to explore and inspect data, such as clustering, percentages, making bands of a specific size, and more. These tools can be found on the Analyze tab of every sheet used to create a chart. The features only show up when they can be used on the worksheet. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. How do I make sets in Tableau? Sets are custom fields that let you compare and ask questions about a subset of data. To make a set on a dimension, right click on a size in the data pane and choose to create set. On the General tab, select the fields used to figure out the set. On Conditions tab, you can set the conditions for making a set on the top tab. You can also choose the top 10 members of the data set based on your any field. When a set is made, the measure is split into two parts, in and out of the set, based on the user conditions. Please like and subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what is the quick filter? When you use a filter in Tableau, you can easily change how it works. For example, you can use it as a single value drop down list, a single value list, a multiple value list, a multiple value drop down list, or something else. After we add a filter to a sheet, we can right click on the sheet to see all the quick filter options. If you change any of these options, the way the filter looks on the sheet will also change. Please like and subscribe my channel. Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop is a product made by Tableau that is used to create, edit, and store data visualization locally on a system. You can publish the visualization to a server, online, or to the public after they are done, or maybe even in the middle of the process. Tableau Desktop user can also edit any file made on another system in the same or a lower version of Tableau. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. What does page shelf mean in Tableau? Page shelf in Tableau make it easier to understand and use multiple charts if there is more than one plot on a single sheet and you want to see them one at a time. Drag and drop the dimension that makes more than one chart onto the page shelf. Then a button on the right side lets us look at the data one chart at a time. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Next question, how to figure out percentage in Tableau. To figure out how much of your worksheet data it contains, to access percentage breakdowns, select analyze is greater than percentage in the left hand pane. Many other percentage breakdowns are available there, such as the percentage of the table, row in pan, column in pan, and cell. Choose one of the option above and then set the total amount for which the percentage is to be calculated. There is no way to give different options to rows and columns. The option you choose will be the same for all rows and columns. Please like and subscribe my channel. What does Tableau developer mean? A Tableau developer knows how to take raw data and use it to make data visualization and get valuable insights. A Tableau developer should be able to make advanced dashboards that are easy for other people to use and help them easily understand the data. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. What is a Tableau data engine? The in-memory data engine used by Tableau is called Hyper. It makes it easier to import data and analyze it quickly. It lets the user make an extract file of a dataset, which can be considered a smaller version of the dataset that still has all the data. This makes it faster to run different queries on the dataset. It makes it easier for the user to work with large dataset. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. What is the difference between Power BI and Tableau? Tableau does a better job with large data sets than Power BI. Tableau's customer service is better for both free and paid users, while Power BI's customer service is the only for paid users. Tableau's service-side storage and multiple data source connectivities are two of its most appealing features. Power BI, on the other hand, can only connect to a limited number of data sources and focuses more on reporting and analytical modeling than on storing data. Compared to Tableau, Power BI has a better graphical user interface. It is also straightforward to use. Friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Hide the dashboard in Tableau. Tableau doesn't have a way to hide the dashboard, but if you publish a dashboard to a website, you can set a command to show the dashboard only when a particular button is clicked. You can also hide sheet instead of dashboard before publishing the dashboard. So that when people first look at your VIJ, they only see the dashboard and not the individual sheets. So friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. How do I use groups in calculated fields in Tableau? My next question is this. So you can make a group by right clicking on a field in the data pane and choosing create. Then you can go to group. Then you can select the field you want to group under the General tab and set the criteria for grouping under the Conditions tab. Then right click on this group and choose Create, Set and create a calculated field. You can then use this group as a set in this calculated field. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. How to make hierarchy in Tableau? This is the next question. Tableau creates a data source hierarchy based on the values in the fields by default. You can make your hierarchy in a way that it fits your needs. Drag a field on the top of another field in the data pane. When prompt, type the name of the hierarchy and press OK. After that, you can also add more fields to the hierarchy. By making a hierarchy, you can also quickly move between the data categories you have made, which may be based on location like country, state, city, or region. This is how you create hierarchy in Tableau. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I link R and Tableau. First, download and install R on your computer, then use the command install.package within brackets reserve to install a package called reserve. Once reserve is installed, you can do this step only sometimes you want to use R from Tableau. The following steps, on the other hand, must be done with every time you wish to link R to Tableau. Now use the command library reserve to bring the library into the current working environment, and then type reserve in the command window to connect R with Tableau. Now go to the Tableau's help menu and choose manage R connection. Enter localhost as the server name and 6311 as the port. Click the test connection button to ensure everything is working correctly, and click OK to close the window. Please like and subscribe my channel. Tableau. Tableau is mainly used for visualizing data, so it only does a small amount of pre-processing. When opened on a screen with a different resolution, dashboard look different. The price of Tableau is also high, and they don't offer any plans tailored to the needs of businesses. Users who use Tableau for free and post their work on Tableau Public can cause security problems because Tableau Public doesn't protect upload files. These are the problems with Tableau. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Do you need data aggregation or disaggregation to make charts in Tableau? Depending upon what the user wants, aggregation and disaggregation tell Tableau how to combine data to make a chart. It must be meet some specific requirements such as having one or two dimension and one or two measures. And for measures, you have to choose the aggregations such as sum, median, average, etc. For all the values will be shown as sum by default, and the person using the chart might want to see something different, so it is essential to use proper method of aggregation if necessary to break up the data. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. How does custom SQL work in Tableau? Users can get the information they need with the help of a custom SQL. You can write your own SQL query when you connect Tableau to a data source. Once you are connected to a data source, on the data source page, double click the new custom SQL option, then type the SQL query or copy and paste it into the text box. And when you are done, click OK. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like my video, please. How do I link MongoDB to Tableau? To connect to MongoDB, you may need an extra driver. I suggest you get the driver from https://www.tableau.com/support/drivers and install it. Once it's installed, open Tableau, choose connect, then MongoDB connector. If you can't find it in the main list, you can find it under to a server, then more than MongoDB BI connector. Then type it in the server's name, username and password for the database that goes with it. When you connect to an SSL server, check the require SSL box, then click sign in, and the data source is now ready to go. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Filter. Cascading filters can also be thought of as giving priority to one filter and then use another filter on a data source that has already been filtered. Right click on the filter you want to use as the primary and ensure it's set to all values in the dashboard. Then select the following filter and choose only the relevant value to cascade the filter. This will improve the dashboard because you have reduced the time waste running all the filters over the whole data source. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. What is the Tableau reporting tool? Creating a dashboard is also a form of reporting because once you are done designing the dashboard to meet the client's need, they can be used in PPT, PDF or any other requirement according to file type. As long as they are compatible with the view you have made, these interactive dashboards allow the client to set the filters and parameters to see custom charts in different situations. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. View in Tableau mean. The term view refers to how data from a source is shown in a worksheet.
A view can be anything. It could be a plot, a chart, a graph, or even a table. Then all of these points of view are put together on a dashboard to make a single story and show how they all fit together. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. How can I make Tableau work better? There are many ways to improve performance, but one of simplest is to use the extract option on the data source. This is one of the most effective way to improve performance. Once you are done making dashboards, run the performance recorder from the help menu. It will tell you which sheets are slowing down your Tableau and why. You should try to lower and marks. Try using fewer filters, or if you need to, use the include field instead of the exclude field. Use the contacts filter to sort through large amounts of data, and try to use cascade filters to cut down on the time it takes for a query to run. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. The workbook. A workbook is a complete set of sheets, dashboard and stories you have made on Tableau desktop or public, saved on your local system or published on Tableau Public. You can get the workbook for Tableau Public by clicking on the link to its website. Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you. What is the most miniature version of the Android operating system that can be used with Tableau Mobile? Tableau Mobile works on devices that have Android 7 or higher. Visualization made on the Tableau desktop, Tableau server, or Tableau online can be viewed on Tableau Mobile. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. What do live and extract mean in Tableau? The extract is a snapshot of the data set up so it can be added up. Extracts are loaded into the system, which makes Tableau run better. Whereas extracts won't help when data is constantly updated because we have to manually refresh the data for each change. A live connection might slow down the processing, still, it will update the data source itself. So you should only use a live connection when data is constantly being changed. Otherwise, you should use an extract file. Please like and subscribe my channel, like my video if you really like. Thank you. Thank you. In Tableau, what is a scatter plot? A scatter plot shows how two or more measures with or without dimensions relate to each other. To make a scatter plot, you need at least one measure in each row and column. You can then use different dimension to add more details. Marks over color and information on the card. In a scatter plot, the data points are drawn in a space. Their shapes depend on the values in the measures. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
What are cycle fields in Tableau used for? Cycle fields let you try and switch between different color combinations or views in a loop. It will only work if you have a chart showing more than one measures like a stacked bar chart and we can't finish the visualization. In that case, we can use cycle fields. To use the cycle field, go to the toolbar and click on the analysis menu. Then click on cycle fields to quickly look at a different way to display the data. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what are marks? A marks card helps add details to the chart because it can give different colors based on a category and change the size of a line, circle or a bar in the chart based on any measured value. Marks card is also used to put labels on the chart and add details to the view. It is also used to control the tooltip and how it looks, which should improve the visualization. Please like and subscribe my channel. How do you connect Tableau to your website? A developer needs to know everything about Tableau JavaScript API to connect Tableau to a website. It allows you to examine and manipulate a Tableau spreadsheet or dashboard without ever having to leave the convenience of your browser. Tableau has given a complete list of all the functions used in the JavaScript API. Some of the essential functions are also shown how to be used in the free tutorial section. When published on Tableau Public, Tableau Online or Tableau Server, all dashboards and worksheets are automatically linked to the JavaScript API. A developer only needs to call the API in HTML code to start interacting with it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. How do I display an axis in Tableau? Yes, you can choose whether to show or hide an axis. To hide the axis, right click on the axis and uncheck show header. To bring back the hidden axis, right click on the fields in a row or column and choose show header. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you. How do I add a logo to the dashboard in Tableau? In the dashboard objects pane, there is a choice to import an image. Make sure you have chosen the floating type instead of the tile type, which is the default. Drag the image object to the dashboard and select the logo you saved on your computer in .png, .jpg or JPG format. Users can use the small drop-down menu on the right side of the image and choose send to back to use it as a background. They can then make it bigger to use as a watermark logo. Please like and subscribe my channel. Like my video. Thank you. What is the difference between .twdb file and .twbx extension? A .twb file has information about all the sheets, dashboards and stories but needs to be about where the data came from. The .twbx file, on the other hand, has all the sheets, stories, dashboards, and compressed data sources. The data source need to have an .twbx extract done to save. If we send an .twb file to someone else, they will be able to look at the worksheets and dashboards, but not the dataset. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. How do I clean up my data in Tableau? At the top or bottom of a data file, there may be a description of what the file is about. Tableau won't be able to make sense of the data in its current form. After connecting to the data file, you need to turn on the data interpreter in the left panel. It will eliminate the unwanted rows from the data source in Tableau without changing the file the data is coming from. So that is how we clean up the data. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. How do I publish Tableau reports to Tableau server? Open the workbook you want to publish to Tableau server. Make sure you are on a working sheet that will be sent to the server. If you don't, you won't be able to see. Publish workbook in the tab toolbar server menu. After you click publish workbook, sign into your Tableau server account and give it the name you want it to have on the server. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. In Tableau, what does it mean to assume referential integrity? When you know that two data sources have the same references in a column, you can use the assume referential integrity option. Then you can use the feature assume referential integrity to define the relationship between the two data sources and join them. To implement referential integrity, drop the second table on the side of the first table. It will then ask you to match the column to perform the join. After which you can choose the reference column and Tableau will perform the join based on the reference and type of join. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. How do I make a group in Tableau? People in the same field are put together in a group. You can create groups in several ways, including selecting data in the view or from a lot of the data pair. When you select multiple data points in view, the tooltip will show an option to group. You can use this option to create a group or right click on a field in the data pane and choose to create then group. Now you can select a few members you want to group and click the group button. This is how you will create a group in the Tableau. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. How do I use Tableau to make a longitude and latitude? Tableau make it very easy to get longitude and latitude. Drag and drop countries, states, cities or any other geographical field into the view and Tableau will automatically plot the places on the map. Then choose all the data points, right click and select view data. On the tab called view data, you can see the generated longitude and latitude next to the country name. You can also export this data from Tableau to use in another program or another data source. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.